Are you tired of sweltering summer nights and stuffy rooms? Do you wish you could move cool, fresh air wherever you need it most? Are you searching for the perfect portable air cooler that actually delivers on its promises? Today, I'm diving deep into the world of portable air coolers, reviewing the top 5 models you can buy right now. After hands-on testing and careful comparison, I'll highlight features, performance, and a few drawbacks you should know before making your choice. Number 5. HUMHOLD HPAC-10B1. Starting off our list is the HUMHOLD HPAC-10B1, a 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner that claims to cool rooms up to 700 square feet with its 3-in-1 design, offering cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. When I first set it up, I appreciated the easy-to-read LED display and the convenience of the remote control, which allowed me to adjust settings from across the room. The self-evaporation system was a real plus, minimizing the need for constant drainage in most environments. During my tests, I noticed that the HUMHOLD HPAC-10B1 cooled down a 350 square foot room from 79 degrees Fahrenheit to 71 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 hours, which is impressive for a unit in this price range 3. The 3 fan speeds and auto swing feature distributed air evenly, and the smart mode maintained a comfortable temperature automatically. I also liked the sleep mode, which kept noise levels below 48 dB, making it suitable for nighttime use. However, not everything was perfect. The unit is quite heavy, weighing over 65 pounds, and while it does have wheels, moving it between rooms can be a bit of a struggle, especially if you have stairs. Another drawback was the need to drain the unit every 8 hours in very humid environments, which can be inconvenient if you plan to use it in a basement or laundry room. I also found the power consumption information lacking in the documentation, which made it harder to estimate long-term running costs. 4. SereneLife SLPAC805W. Next up is the SereneLife SLPAC805W, an 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner designed for smaller spaces up to 300 square feet. I was immediately drawn to its compact size and lightweight build, which made it easy to move from room to room. The 3 operating modes, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan, offer flexibility, and the automatic swing feature ensures decent air circulation. The SLPAC805W performed well in my office, quickly bringing down the temperature and making the air noticeably less humid. The remote control and LED display made operation simple, and the unit's noise level of 55 dA was reasonable for daytime use. I appreciated the intuitive push-button controls and the efficient dehumidifier function, which pulled over a liter of moisture from the air every hour. On the downside, the SLPAC805W isn't the quietest option, and its cooling power can feel underwhelming in larger or particularly hot rooms. It's best suited for bedrooms, dorms, or small offices rather than open-plan living areas. The lack of an Energy Star rating is also worth noting, though its SEER rating of 5 suggests it's reasonably efficient for its size. Another minor gripe is the window kit, which, while easy to install, felt a bit flimsy compared to others I've tested. Overall, the SereneLife SLPAC805W is a reliable, budget-friendly choice for smaller rooms where portability and ease of use matter most. 3. Coolblus PAC-A019K-05KR. Moving up the list, the Coolblus PAC-A019K-05KR offers 8,500 BTU ASHRAU and 5,100 BTU of cooling power, making it a versatile 3-in-1 solution for small to medium rooms. I found the user-friendly LED control panel and remote control especially convenient, and the automatic restart feature after power outages is a thoughtful touch for uninterrupted comfort. In my tests, the Coolblus cooled a 250 square foot room efficiently, dropping the temperature by several degrees within an hour. The auto-evaporative system meant I didn't have to worry about draining water frequently, and the washable mesh filter was easy to remove and clean. The unit's energy efficiency, with a CER of 6.5 and eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, stood out during extended use, keeping electricity costs in check. The sleep mode and 24-hour timer allowed for quiet, energy-saving operation at night, and the noise level stayed around 52 dB, which is barely noticeable in most settings. I also like the compact design and the sturdy wheels, which made moving the unit a breeze. The Coolblus PAC-A019K-05KR is a great fit for bedrooms, home offices, or small living spaces where you want reliable cooling without breaking the bank. While it may not have the raw power of larger models, its blend of efficiency, convenience, and quiet operation makes it a standout in its class. For anyone seeking a hassle-free portable solution that covers all the basics, the Coolblus is a smart choice. 2. Electactic NPLB2-06C X1E. Taking the runner-up spot is the Electactic NPLB2-06C X1E, which impressed me with its thoughtful design and robust performance. This portable air conditioner features a simple LED panel and remote control, allowing you to set the temperature, timer, and mode with ease. The filter is easy to remove and clean, saving on maintenance costs and keeping the air fresh. What really sets the Electactic apart is its compact size and portability. With side handles and universal wheels, I found it effortless to move from the living room to the bedroom to grab. Ideal for apartments or anyone who likes to rearrange their space. The unit operates quietly thanks to its low-noise design, and the timer function lets you schedule cooling from 1 to 24 hours, so you can enjoy a cool environment without worrying about leaving it on all night. The Electactic NPLB2-06C X1E also excels in versatility, offering cooling, dehumidification, and fan modes in one unit. The dehumidifier is particularly effective, helping to keep the air dry and comfortable even during muggy weather. I appreciated the safety features, such as auto shutoff if the unit tips over, and the energy-saving modes that help reduce electricity bills. During my tests, the Electactic cooled a 300 square foot space quickly and maintained a consistent temperature throughout the day. The included remote made operation from across the room simple, and the washable filter is a big plus for long-term use. 1 HUMHOLD HD PAC-10-A1. Claiming the top spot is the HUMHOLD HD PAC-10A1, a true powerhouse among portable air conditioners. With a 14,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, it easily handled my largest test room, over 700 square feet, cooling it down rapidly even during peak summer heat. The 3-in-1 functionality covers cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, and the temperature can be fine-tuned between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit for personalized comfort. The HD PAC-10A1 stands out for its convenience and smart features. The front LED display and full-function remote control made it easy to adjust settings from anywhere in the room, and the self-evaporating system eliminated the need for constant drainage in daily use. I was especially impressed by the smart and sleep modes, which automatically adjust cooling based on room temperature and keep noise levels low for restful sleep. The dehumidifier function is powerful, removing up to 95 pints of moisture per day, which made a noticeable difference in overall comfort. The auto swing feature ensures even distribution of cool air, and the upgraded fan system quickly brings relief to every corner of the room. The unit is also designed for easy maintenance, with a washable filter and a user-friendly interface. Despite its robust performance, the HPAC-10A1 is surprisingly energy efficient, thanks to its advanced compressor and smart modes that optimize power use. It's also portable, with sturdy wheels and handles, though its size and weight mean it's best suited to spaces where it can remain stationary. Final thought. There you have it, my hands-on reviews of the 5 best portable air coolers for your room. Whether you need something compact and budget-friendly or a powerful unit for a large space, there's an option here to suit your needs. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and choose the air cooler that fits your lifestyle.